Have your kids ever refused to eat meat because it was too tough and dry? Look at my daughter. She is completely crushing it. Today, I'm going to show you how to make these incredibly soft, healthy, and super easy Japanese beef patties using simple ingredients. At Costco, I found this 3-pack of Wagyu ground beef for just $19.99. That's about $6 a pack. The secret here is the fat ratio. This is 75% lean and 25% fat. In my experience, if you use 80% or 90% lean beef, the meat gets way too tough for a toddler. 25% fat is the key to that melt-in-your-mouth texture. Here are the ingredients for today. 1 pound of Costco Wagyu beef, 1 pasture-raised egg, 1 onion, 2 tablespoons of gluten-free Panko Breadcrumbs, and 3 tablespoons of clean, 3-ingredient oat milk. The most important step is mixing the beef thoroughly. I used to do this by hand, but it's a lot of work. So today, I'm using this stand mixer. It's a bit heavy, but trust me, it's a total game changer. No sticky, greasy hands. First, put the beef into the bowl with a pinch of salt and give it a quick mix. While it's mixing, soak 2 tablespoons of panko in 3 tablespoons of oat milk to soften it up. Next, grab your onion. Cut it in half. Save 1/2 for later and mince the other half incredibly fine. There are 2 reasons for mincing it so fine. First, it's much easier for kids to eat. Second, if the onion chunks are too big, they will cause all those precious meat juices to leak out. So make it fine. Now dump all the remaining ingredients into the mixer and blend them together. It's so easy. Occasionally, scrape down the sides because the bottom tends to get left out. Season with a little bit of salt and white pepper to eliminate any gamey odor. Give it one final mix. Once the meat turns slightly pale and paste-like, it's perfect. Now put a tiny bit of any oil you like onto your hands. This keeps the meat from sticking to your skin. More importantly, coating the patties with oil creates a barrier that locks in the juices and helps them sear beautifully. With 1 pound of beef, you can make about 6 patties, a mix of large and small sizes. Heat up your frying pan and drop them in. You don't even need to add extra oil to the pan. Toss in the other half of the onion we saved earlier to cook alongside the meat. Cover with a lid and let them cook for about 3 minutes. No water needed yet? Once the edges turn brown, flip them over. Cover with the lid again and cook for another 3 minutes over medium-low heat. Look at the screen. This is my daughter. She's so cute and loves helping me out in the kitchen.
있어. 오픈. 세니까 오픈.
Now for the kids' sauce. It's simple but incredibly delicious. First, add a splash of Japanese sake. You can substitute this with white wine or just water. Next, add Primal Kitchen ketchup. I highly recommend this brand because it has very simple ingredients and no added sugar. Then a tiny splash of Japanese okonomi sauce or Worcestershire sauce. This is our secret ingredient for a deep umami flavor. Finally, add Primal Kitchen avocado oil mayo. Again, super clean ingredients. I love using this. Let it simmer for a few seconds until the alcohol burns off. And the kids' sauce is done. Time to plate it up. My daughter loves Pikachu, so I bought this Pikachu plate back in Japan.
ここにお目目置いて。鼻でもいい。
ママのとこに行ってたじゃん。
ママのとこがいいの？こう？
うん。
It turned out so soft and tender.
ハンバーグ。グ。ハンバーグ。グ。
ルー。
Look at her go. She's just packing it away.
どう？おいしい？あら。いや、自分が言うのね。
この辺じゃない感じ。味ついて。
今電車に行ってるのよ。
While she enjoys her dinner, let's make the luxury sauce for the adults. We're using red wine for a rich flavor, along with a splash of Japanese sake. Again, white wine or water works too. Add 1 tablespoon of Lakanto sweetener and 1 tablespoon of clean soy sauce. Simmer it down until it gets nice, thick, and glossy. It looks a bit dark, but this rich glaze pairs perfectly with the Wagyu beef. You have to try this. There you have it. If you make this and your kids love it, please let me know in the comments. Hit that like button and tell me if there are any other Japanese recipes you want me to hack into a healthy version. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!